Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of must-have tools and accessories. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best blind spot elimination stick on mirrors on the market right now. It's the Blind Spot Car Mirror 2-pack from Essential Contraptions, and it's designed to give you crystal clear visibility, enhance your driving safety, and stick firmly in place with zero hassle. Let's start with what you get in the package. Inside, you'll find two high-quality, 2-inch round convex mirrors. They feature a rust-resistant aluminum frame and real HD glass, not the hazy plastic found on cheaper alternatives. And yes, that real glass means a sharper, distortion-free reflection that won't degrade over time. These mirrors are incredibly compact at just 2 inches wide, which means they fit seamlessly on almost any vehicle's side mirrors. Whether you're driving a car, SUV, truck, motorcycle, RV, golf cart, or even a snowmobile. The universal fit ensures you don't have to second-guess compatibility. It's as simple as peel and stick. The back uses high-quality pressure-sensitive adhesive. Just clean the surface, peel off the backing, and firmly press the mirror onto your side mirror. It's not going anywhere. The adhesive creates a strong, secure hold that withstands all weather conditions. No wobbling, no falling off. But here's where it really shines: safety. These convex mirrors massively reduce your blind spots. Changing lanes or merging into traffic becomes so much safer, especially in busy urban areas or on highways. According to research, nearly half of lane change collisions are due to blind spots. These mirrors act like an extra pair of eyes, giving you a wide-angle view that your standard side mirrors simply can't provide. The aluminum frame isn't just durable, it's rust-proof. That means you can confidently use these mirrors in rainy, snowy, or humid conditions without worrying about corrosion. And since they're suitable for both interior and exterior use, you can even stick them on mirrors inside RVs or trailers. Yes, these mirrors are not adjustable and not frameless. But the slightly raised aluminum frame adds durability and doesn't obstruct the view. Once installed, you won't need to readjust. They're set at the perfect angle for most driving positions. To wrap it up, the Essential Contraptions Blind Spot Car Mirror 2-pack is an easy, effective, and affordable solution to a dangerous problem. With real glass clarity, a firm grip, and universal compatibility, this product truly earns the title of the best blind spot elimination stick on mirrors in its class. Thanks for watching another deep dive review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a safer drive and a better rear view, this is a product that delivers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another critique. Drive safe and see you in the next one.